Just minutes after a jury found Dallas Lee guilty of second-degree murder, his lawyers speak outside court about their 23-year-old client.
Yes, we spoke to him.
He's obviously disappointed, obviously, in the verdict, and the fact that he is going to be sentenced now to a life sentence is something that is very difficult for this young man to have to deal with in the circumstances.
Dallas Lee, who testified in his own defense, said after years of physical and mental abuse, on the night of March 27, 2022, he told his mother after she returned home from work at her nail salon that he was moving out from their Carlaw Avenue condo and moving in with his aunt. He testified his mother, Tien Ly, became enraged, threatened to kill him and his aunt, and he got a knife to scare her. When she began punching and hitting him, he said he saw red and began swinging the knife and struck his mother. He admitted he later panicked, cut off her head, and tried to dispose of her body, but he never intended to kill her.
Our doctor, Dr. Patel, interviewed Dallas Lee extensively. He felt that he gave an opinion, a psychiatric opinion after multiple assessments and reviewing all the evidence, that Dallas Lee did suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder at the time of the homicide. We say that that reduced his mental culpability. He did not have the intent to commit murder.
The judge ruled a forensic psychiatrist for the Crown was allowed to give a peer assessment of that psychiatric opinion without interviewing Dallas Lee. The defense says that could be grounds for an appeal.
The Crown offered evidence of a critique of the defense doctor, and we vigorously opposed that during this trial.
Based on the verdict, the jury sided with the Crown that Dallas Lee was exacting revenge on his mother for years of abuse and intended to kill her. Dallas Lee never got help for his abuse and only confided in one friend.
The role of mental health still has a stigma, and abuse and neglect, we see it, it's out there. It's hard to get young people the help that we need, that they need, that our community needs.
Second-degree murder comes with an automatic life sentence. The judge must now decide on a period of parole eligibility between 10 and 25 years. A sentencing hearing has been planned for next week, at which time lawyers for both the defense and Crown will be making submissions. Catherine McDonald, Global News.